Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Cadillac DTS Performance. This 4-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include performance package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, window defogger, and power sunroof.